After completing your chapter 1E, let's we start in chapter 1F. Here we have to find out some rational number in between given rational number. Question number 1. Exercise 1F. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Find the rational number. Here we have to added them both number and multiplied it by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, 12, 3 plus 4. So 1 by 2 into 7 by 12. 7 by 24 is the middle rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. In question number 2, find a rational number between 2 and 3. You can easily do 1 by 2 into 2 plus 3, and when you solve it you will get the answer. Find a rational number between minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. The same process, 1 by 2 into given rational number minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. If you will solve these questions, solve these equations, you will get the rational number. In question number 4, find two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. Two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. The same process, 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus minus 2. 1 by 2 into minus 5. So minus 5 by 2 is the first rational number between them. And when we take 1 by 2 into the given new number and either of these numbers, any one we can take. So minus 3 plus minus 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, 2 minus 6 minus 5. Here 1 by 2 into minus 11 by 2. The answer is minus 11 by 4. This one the answer of it. So here the answer is minus 5 by 2 and minus 11 by 4 is the two rational number between minus 3 and minus 2. In question number 5, three rational number is required. So we will do the same process by the three step. One is given in question number 5. Find three rational number between 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 1 by 2 into 4 plus 5. 1 by 2 into 9. So one rational number is 9 by 2. Another one, 1 by 2 into 4 plus 9 by 2. 1 by 2 into, take the LCM, and 8 plus 9, it becomes 1 by 2 into 17 by 2. So 17 by 4 is the second rational number. Third one, here the second rational number, either of these numbers or this number, any one we can take, because all are the all are the number laying in between 4 and 5. So the third one is 1 by 2 into 5 plus 17 by 4. The new number I I have taken here. So 1 by 2, take the LCM of 4, 4 5 are 20 plus 17, 1 by 2 into 37 by 4. So the next new number is 17 by 8. This one the third rational number. Here are 9 by 2, 17 by 4 and 37 by 8. All these are the rational number in between 4 and 5. So the answer is 9 by 2 into 17 by 4 into 37 by 8. Hope these answers are not matched by your answer sheet, but the same process you have to do. Your answer may be differ. Same process, the question number 6 is given. Find three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. You will get it. In question number 7 and 8, there are 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. It's too easy related these questions. See. Number 7, find 10 rational number between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Make it both number in like fraction. Take the LCM. 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 3 minus 9 by 12, and 5 by 6 will be multiplied here 2 by 2, it becomes 10 by 12. Here we have to write minus 9 by 10, 12 to 10 by 12, and in between these numbers are the rational number in between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So this one the minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 3 by 12, minus 2 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 by 12 and 2 by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the rational number between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Hope question number 8 you will do so, but wherever you have a problem, I will do. Okay. Last question. 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Here, as we know, 1 is laying in the place of denominator. So, if we have multiplied it, minus 1 by 1 is multiplied it by 20 by 20, we will get minus 20 by 20. And 2 by 1 is multiplied by 20 by 20, we will also get 40 by 20. And write down all these numbers in between them. Minus 19 by 20, minus 18 by 20, minus 17 by 20, minus 16 by 20, minus 15 by 20, minus 14 by 20, minus 13 by 20, minus 12 by 20, minus 11 by 20, minus 10 by 20, minus 9 by 20, minus 8 by 20. Here you will be multiplied it by minus 1 by 1 into 10 by 10 and 2 by 1 into 10 by 10. You are complete. Here you are independent to write down to multiply it with anyone. There your number is minus 10 by 10 and here 20 by 10. So minus 10 by 10 and 20 by 10 you may write any one of these, like minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10, minus 6 by 10, minus 5 by 10, minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, and 3 by 10. All these are the, here I have completed required, as the question has required here not only 10, 12, 100, 1000, anyone what the question has asked, you will do it by this same process. Hope you have completed this chapter, and by this help you will solve it, and wherever you have a problem you will write down in the comment box. I will detailing it once again. Till have a nice day. Thank you.